Today we are heading to one of the most beautiful waterfalls near Pune, which is the Devkund Waterfall. Located about 110 kilometers from Pune, this hidden gem is a perfect one-day trek destination. Starting our road trip from Pune early in the morning, cool breeze, empty roads and lots of excitement ahead. As we leave the city behind, nature slowly takes over. The views are getting better with every kilometer. Now entering Tamhini Ghat, one of the most scenic routes near Pune, famous for its lush greenery, waterfalls and winding roads. Tamhini Ghat connects Pune to the Konkan region via Mulshi. Best time to visit? Definitely the monsoon. The entire stretch turns magical, waterfalls everywhere. It's a favorite weekend gateway for bikers and road trip lovers. Be careful though, roads can get slippery during rains. Tamini is not just a road, it's an experience in itself. As we reach near the Patnus village, 20 rupees per person charges are collected. Also, parking charges are collected as per your vehicle. You can see the receipt to see actual charges. There are two routes to reach the Devkund waterfall. One is through Patnus village and another is through Bhira village. So we are going through the Bhira village to reach the Devkund waterfall. Now we have reached the entry point. An entry fee of 200 rupees per person is collected here. A wristband is tied to your hand as a trek permit. They also note down your name and contact number for safety purpose. The real trek begins here, through dense jungle trails. The path is raw, natural, and surrounded by thick greenery. A river bites at my ankles bare, it chills my soul, but I don't care. Shoes with good grip and waterproofing really helps here. Jungle is peaceful, just the sound of birds and flowing water. We crossed a few small streams and rivers on the way. Water levels can rise during monsoon, so be cautious. Finally, after trekking nearly 6 kilometers, you start hearing the roar of the waterfall in the distance. And then there it is, the majestic Devkund waterfall. Hidden deep in the forest, this place feels absolutely magical. The water crashes down into a crystal clear blue pool below. A perfect reward for the adventure-filled journey here. A sudden clearing, a glimpse of light.